Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D animated video in Canva. First, open Canva on your PC. From the home page, click on the video option. Then, choose Video Landscape to start a new project video. On the canvas opens, go to the left side and click on Uploads. Now, select any image that you want to use as the background of your video. After the image appears on your canvas, click and drag its corner to make it bigger and fit the screen. Then, go to the timeline below and drag the edge of the video layer to make it a bit longer. This will give your video more time to play the animation. Next, click on Elements from the left side. In the search bar, type 3D objects and press Enter. You'll see different 3D style graphics. Click on one that you like. Now, place the 3D object on your image and move it where you want it. Now, placing it, go to the top menu and click on Animate. Then, click on Create an Animation. Now, click and drag the 3D object around the canvas. This creates a motion path for the animation. Use the speed slider to adjust how fast or slow the animation plays. Next, go back to Elements again. This time, search for 3D person. Pick a 3D character that you like and add it to the image. Place and adjust the character where you want it on the canvas. Again, go to the top menu and click on Animate. Click on Create an Animation, then drag the 3D person to make it move across the canvas. Adjust the animation speed using the slider. If you want, you can also add extra effects like rotate, flicker, or pulse to make the animation more fun. Finally, play the video using the play button to see how your 3D animation looks. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.